Hey everybody, Economic Ninja here. I hope you're doing great. I'm doing great. Good morning. It is absolutely beautiful here. I don't have my ducks though. Wait. No, they're way in the back. Ducks are in the back. All right. We're going to talk about gold. We're going to talk about cryptos. We're going to talk about them going up in value. We're going to talk about why they're going up in value, and it's on the hedge. So of course I'm going to link this. It's not really a story. It's just what's happening today. This is Wednesday morning. It's probably going to get to you by Wednesday afternoon. Gold and crypto surge as soaring CPI sparks hawkish jump in rate hike odds. So it says right here, this morning's shockingly hit CPI print, which was on top of yesterday's record PPI, has sparked a rapid repricing in STIRs. And just like that, all of Powell's dovish jawboning has been erased. Now, we're going to go into that too, because I've been talking about that for a couple months now, that this is all rhetoric. This is just talk. This is jaw-jacking. This is whatever term you want to put. It's total crap, right? Because the Fed knows they can't do it. And I'm going to tell you right now, if they do it, if they sit there and they go, you know, we're going to raise rates, and they actually do it, they actually raise rates, I'm telling you right now, it's 100% a reason what they want to collapse this economy. Why? Because I know they're that smart. They're just a little smart. I don't care if you're Keynesian, Austrian, whatever. You know that with 0 to negative rates yielding all around the world, a supply chain collapse, a inflation that is getting out of control due to out of control printing of money worldwide, not just the United States. If you raise rates already in a moment where debt worldwide is over the GDP of most countries, you're going to implode. It is not, I digress. Here we go, guys. Let's just do this. So it says this action sent real yields to fresh record lows, right? As break-even spike. Why? Because people are running to safety, because the herd has figured it out, right? Now, when I say herd, it's not like the whole herd. It's like that first group of, like, let's say there's 100 buffalo. All right, you're in a field. There's a storm coming. And there's always those smart buffalo, you know, the ones that sort of get the food first because they're there first. And they go, yeah, this ain't going to be good. I don't want to be wet. Looking over in the horizon. Just going to start moving over here. So a few of them start moving, and Bill and Buck, you know, Bill and Buck are both, you know, they're part of the smart herd too, but they're a little slow. They just know that the rest of the herd is real smart and they get the good food first. They look up and they go, hey guys, where are you going? And they don't say anything. They're just cruising around. Bill and Buck look at each other and go, we should probably go too, because we don't want to be part of the stupid ones, because the rest of the herd is sitting over there just like, hey. I know, it's weird. It's early in the morning, don't have my coffee yet. And they start cruising, right? The rest of the herd's just sitting there. Man, this is great, beautiful day, because they're looking straight up. It's so blue. They don't see the cloud, the storm clouds over there, right? And all of a sudden, storm clouds come over. Before they look down, they're looking down, they're just like, man, this is a great day. There's just some grass here, everything's great. And all of a sudden, a couple lightning bolts, and all of a sudden, they're running for the hills, screaming and yelling. The rest of that little bit of the herd that already took off first, they're under shelter, just sitting there going, sucks to be you. Because I found the only oak tree in the whole field. We're just chilling under the oak tree. I'm going to hear about this one in the comment section, aren't I? All right, so talked about the real, the 10-year rates. It talked about crypto taking off, and it talked about a short sell-off in the market. We don't know where this is going to go, right? But as of when this was printed, obviously stocks sold off, mostly because of algorithms. That's really all it is. Algorithms are reading the artificial intelligence, reading the headlines, and they're paying attention to the market, I guess, more than the humans are. And it says gold is back up to 5-month highs. And that's exciting, right? And a lot of people would say, you know, gold is not as exciting. I get it. It's not supposed to be. That's the news flash right now. Gold is not an investment. Gold is an insurance policy, right? One company holds gold specifically for this purpose. And that company has been buying gold for a little while to hedge against inflation. And guess what? It's done a pretty good job, right? It hasn't, like, let's say, kept up with the inflation of lumber in the spring, but it was worth more than we bought it for. So if our company needs money, that gold is allocated, that we could sell it back into the fiat system for whatever we need, and hopefully it preserves our purchasing power more than holding fiat dollars. And that is happening right now. Now with cryptos, they're exploding for a myriad of reasons. You have the inflation trade, but then also you have a boom. We are in an upcycle in crypto, but there's a ton of leverage involved. And I want people to realize how serious this is. That is dangerous. Am I saying cryptos are gonna go down in the short term? I don't believe so, but hey, I'm just a dude with a bro hawk and a dream. This would be a great time to say, don't listen to anything I say. Don't take it as trading advice. I'm just a dude in his 40s with a bro hawk and about to go through a midlife crisis. I think I'm gonna buy a Corvette. Yeah, but at least I got my hair. Point being is, these assets are inflation hedges. We've been talking about this for a year. Gold, silver, cryptocurrencies. Real estate, to a certain point, when you have yields, because you're getting money back, right? And they go up, it's a real asset, it's tangible. But the problem is it was going up so fast that people can't really afford it. So the only people that can afford these high prices of real estate with very small yields are hedge funds, leveraged funds, and that just never ends good. So right now for me, just me, not you, just me, not a financial advisor. I should get a t-shirt. I should have one printed on this shirt, considering I never change my clothes. It'd be super simple. I'm sticking with assets like gold, silver, and crypto. All right, guys, with that being said, let's sit back, get some popcorn, watch the craziness go by you. Why? Because Ninja Nation is prepared and not scared. All right, guys, we're out of here. And now I'm gonna awkwardly turn it off.